Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we discuss cumulative distribution function. So here there are two type of cumulative distribution function. One is discrete random variable, another one is we consider continuous random variable. So let us see the discrete random variable definition. The cumulative distribution function capital F of x of a discrete random variable capital X with the probability distribution, otherwise we consider probability density function P of x is given by capital F of x equal to probability of capital X less than or equal to small x, that is equal to sum of capital Xi less than or equal to small x P of Xi for all x varies from minus infinity to plus infinity, which means minus infinity less than x less than infinity. So this is called cumulative distribution function for discrete random variable. Similarly, we define cumulative distribution function for continuous random variable. The cumulative distribution function capital F of x of a continuous random variable capital X with probability density function. So here we consider probability density function. Discrete we consider probability mass function. With probability density function f of x is given by capital F of x equal to probability of x less than or equal to small x, that is equal to minus infinity to x f of x into dx. So x we consider the interval minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, so this is the way we have to define cumulative distribution function for both discrete and continuous random variable. Okay, I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.